Hey guys, and I just found out a new game called Wild Things. And oh, there you go. And it's like you're a bird, and the humans have taken over the world, and it's really cool. So I want to I'm gonna try it out. A couple people taught me, so I'm gonna try the game out for a few minutes. Let's go first person. Okay, so he taught me you fly with your arms like this. You can go over here and see these humans. You have to like shoot them with your spit. Oh, got him. Oh crap, but they're shooting. I gotta shoot that one, shoot that one. Okay, pick him up. You like your claws grab him. You have to get on top of him, and your feet will grab him. And you go to this like grinder right here, and you drop him in, and it spits out some money. And it's cool. I like it. So I'm gonna try to find out how to get some pets. Craft. Oh, I have 1,001, I think. Let's go check. You check your, yeah, I have 1,001. Ultimate decoration. Fight pit. Catch all wingmates. Whoa, how do I catch them? Okay, I'm not touching that one. I'm not touching that one. I'm gonna go play. Oh, I like that one. Yeah, I like that one. It's just how do I get him? Trade. This is like a shop. Whoa. I think you can get skins for yourself if you use your money. Whoa. I'm gonna buy a top hat. Wait, I'm gonna buy the cowboy hat. I'm buying a cowboy hat. Ah, cowboys. What? Wait. Caw, caw. Oh no. Ah. It's called bird things. Oh, that's my birdos. I think those are like in-game currencies. Hat. I'm going to get the cowboy hat. Oh, I have 0 hype seeds. How do I get hype seeds? Whoa. I'm gonna go get another human. Caw. Okay, let's grab him quickly and get out. No birds. No birds. Spider. Birds keep out. No birds. Hazard. No flying zone. That's basically telling me to go in, so let's go in. Whoa, this feels like Animal Company. Oh, woo! Are these stronger? I wonder if they're worth more. Oh, do they have the Black Plague or something? This one sure does. He doesn't look too happy. Hi Bob, how you doing? Yeah, you kind of hurt my other brother. You kind of hurt my birdie, so I gotta put you in here. Bye, Bob. Ooh, some more coinies. To collect my coins. This game is fun. So, put in the comments if you would like me to keep playing. This is so cool. Whoa. Wingmate Farm. Drop off. What's this? It's like you're in a bird cage. Let's do the bird race. I wonder what this is. Ooh, the butt of a gorilla. Then we got a horse. I'm good at this. And I just got this game, so I think it's kind of fun. Caw! 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 Ooh, 40 seconds. Beat the devs? World record for this is 15 seconds? Oh, I'm in 2000th place. Hey, I'd say that's pretty good. So yeah, what's up here? Can you even go up here? Oh, this is like the border. Oh. Whee! It feels like I'm in Gorilla. Authorized training facility. A good bird is a trained bird. Train hard, fly harder. Welcome to flight training. This is where birds become legend. Oh, this is just a new one. Uh-oh. Oh, I think... Oh, I know what this is. When I first got in, there's about to be some meteors, I think. And I have to protect this human bird. We've got 2 minutes. I think I might wait. I don't know. Yeah, comment down below also if you want me to do another video of this game, and let's do the cloud invasion. But that's gonna be it for today. Crap. Oh man. Selfie. Okay, yeah. Make sure to have a great day today, and don't forget to like and subscribe, or I'll karate chop you. Karate chop. Whoa, karate chop. Well, goodbye.